Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here. Walter at the workbench. They say time is money. No, it's not. Time is time. Money is money. However, you can take time and make money. But if you have lots of money, well, I don't, but if you have lots of money, you can make or save time. Now, you can't make more time than you've been given, but that's a whole nother discussion. So what you see here, besides 3 4s, is a lot of time and some money. If you recall, this is the plane that I was working on last week or so. It was a new in box plane that I had purchased with money that I took my time to earn, and I put it on a shelf back there and neglected it 10, 12 years. So it rusted. So now it's no longer a new in box, and I had to spend time and money to restore it. Oh, by the way, she's flat, flat, flat. She's flat within a thousandth of an inch. That's all we need. So that'll get taken apart and get waxed and get put away. We'll see if we can't get some of that rust inhibiting paper, the corrosion resistance. Now, these two planes cost me some money. Remember this number, $12.13. These planes cost me $12.13 difference. Now, you would remember I showed you pictures of a really rusted up, grody, corrody blade set. Well, there it is. All cleaned up, all honed up and polished. I was able to get rid of most of the pitting on the back, or what we call the face, because the face is where the stamping is, and that's where the cutting edge is. Some people call it the back. So how I did that was I took 80 grit sandpaper, and using the David Charlesworth ruler technique, I got rid of the pitting. Then I went to the 180 grit, 300, 1000. And then I used the honing guide, established a new bevel, and there you go. So this, out of pocket, is the least expensive plane on the bench. This plane cost me $12.13 more. I have between 10, maybe 12 minutes into it, taking it apart, sharpening a new edge, honing the back, putting it back together, because this is the way it came. Okay? Clean. I'm assuming this is original finish. Either that or somebody did a really beautiful job finishing them. So, this now is close to the most expensive plane in the shop, next to my newly restored number 4 that was sitting back there. This plane is one of the nicer planes in the shop that cost me less money and very little time. All I'm going to have to do with this now is a little bit of Scotch-Brite, maybe some oil and wax, and it's done. So, time, money. We can't make more time. We only have the amount of time that we have on this planet. We can utilize the time differently based on money. You have a lot of money, you can utilize your time differently. The amount of money out of pocket to buy this was low, but then the amount of money for cleaners, abrasives, wire wheel, electric, and then my time, if you convert my time into money, I could have just as easily not bought this and just called up Lie-Nielsen and ordered a brand new number 4. You follow me? I've done this hundreds of times. I know what to expect. But every once in a while, you get blessed and you get a challenge and then you get a blessing. This one is going to be a really nice one. And I look forward to doing the final cleaning. And these two both have to be flattened. This one's out pretty bad in the front here. This one's also out a little bit in the front, but not too bad. I would have no qualms to taking this plane and going to work with it in a cabinet making shop tomorrow. But speaking about tomorrow, what happened to yesterday? Oh, yesterday is a canceled check. Well, there's tomorrow. Well, no, we're not promised tomorrow. Tomorrow is a promissory note. We're not guaranteed anything tomorrow. All we have is today, this moment in time. So, I encourage you to give thanks always for the air in your lungs, for the blood pumping through your veins, and every moment you have to share. Make them count. Because when this shaving is gone, it's not coming back. It's not coming back onto this board. When this moment is gone, it's not coming back. Deep, huh? I appreciate you. I'm glad that we had this time together. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. But not before you like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell. Get notifications. Walter out.